In a world where kindness can change lives, these poor cats found hope when they needed it the most. This is their journey from despair to love. Stick around, because these stories will warm your heart and remind you of the power of compassion. Imagine being alone, hungry, and scared, with no one to turn to. Sadly, this is the reality for countless stray and abandoned cats around the world. But today, we're sharing stories of cats who were given a second chance, thanks to the kindness of strangers. Rescuing a scared cat isn't easy. It takes patience, love, and a whole lot of courage. Watch as Luna is gently coaxed out of her hiding spot, wrapped in a blanket, and taken to safety. Rescue her. When I saw her, I knew I couldn't walk away. She needed help, and I was determined to give her a chance. With proper care, love, and medical attention, Luna began to transform. Her wounds healed, her fur grew back, and her eyes started to sparkle with trust. This is Luna now, a happy, healthy cat who loves to play and cuddle. Her story is proof that even the smallest act of kindness can change a life. Luna's story is just one of many. From abandoned kittens to injured strays, these cats were saved by people who refused to look away. Each one has a unique journey, but they all share one thing in common: the power of kindness. Rescue her. It's not just about saving a life, it's about giving them a chance to thrive. And every time we help, we make the world a little brighter. You don't have to be a hero to save a life. Here are a few ways you can help cats in need. Adopt, don't shop. Give a homeless cat a forever home. Volunteer. Help local shelters and rescue organizations. Donate. Even a small contribution can provide food, medicine, and care. Spread awareness. Share stories like these to inspire others. Every cat deserves love, safety, and a chance to live a happy life. Together, we can make that happen. These cats were once forgotten, but now, they're loved. Their stories remind us that kindness has the power to transform lives. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread the message of hope and compassion. Until next time, be the reason someone, or some cat, believes in the goodness of the world. In this chapter we will explore the story of another rescued cat named Oliver. Oliver was found in an abandoned building, scared and malnourished. His eyes told a story of hardship and loneliness. But Oliver's fate took a turn for the better. Thanks to the efforts of a dedicated rescuer, Oliver was brought to safety and given the care he needed to recover. He received medical attention, nourishing food, and most importantly, love. Today, Oliver is a playful and affectionate cat who loves his new home. He spends his days chasing toys, lounging in sunny spots, and purring contentedly in the arms of his new family. Oliver's transformation is yet another testament to the power of compassion and dedication. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, can create ripples of positive change. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together we can make a difference, one life at a time. Next we have the story of Bella, a cat who was found injured on the side of the road. Bella's journey to recovery was long and challenging, but with the help of a compassionate veterinarian and a loving foster family, she made a full recovery. Bella now enjoys a life filled with love and comfort. When Bella was first found, her injuries were severe and her future seemed uncertain. But the dedicated veterinarian who took her in refused to give up. She provided Bella with the medical care she desperately needed, tending to her wounds and monitoring her progress closely. Bella's foster family played a crucial role in her recovery as well. They showered her with love and patience, giving her a safe space to heal both physically and emotionally. Over time, Bella's strength and spirit returned. She began to trust again, showing affection to those who had shown her such kindness. Today, Bella is a picture of health and happiness. She loves to play with her toys, bask in sunny spots, and snuggle up with her foster family, who eventually decided to adopt her. Bella's story is a powerful reminder that with love, care, and dedication, even the most challenging journeys can have happy endings. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together, we can make a difference, one life at a time. In this chapter we will highlight the importance of fostering cats. Fostering provides a temporary home for cats in need, giving them a safe place to stay while they wait for their forever homes. Many cats, like Max, have thrived in foster care and gone on to find loving families. Max was found as a stray, wandering the streets with no place to call home. He was scared, hungry, and in desperate need of love and care. A kind-hearted individual decided to take him in as a foster, providing Max with a warm bed, nutritious food, and most importantly, a sense of security. During his time in foster care, Max began to flourish. He regained his strength, learned to trust humans again, and even discovered his playful side. The foster family patiently worked with Max, helping him overcome his fears and showing him what it means to be loved. Max's story is just one of many that demonstrate the transformative power of fostering. By opening their homes and hearts, foster families play a crucial role in the rehabilitation and socialization of cats like Max. They provide a bridge to a better future, where these animals can find the loving, permanent homes they deserve. Today, Max is a happy, healthy cat who has found his forever family. His journey from a frightened stray to a beloved pet is a testament to the incredible impact of fostering. If you have ever considered fostering, know that you can make a real difference in the lives of animals in need. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together, we can make a difference, one life at a time. Let's take a look at the story of Daisy, a cat who was rescued from a hoarding situation. Daisy was one of many cats living in overcrowded and unsanitary conditions. Her life was a daily struggle for survival, filled with fear and uncertainty. Thanks to the tireless efforts of animal welfare organizations, Daisy and the other cats were rescued and given the urgent care they so desperately needed. Volunteers worked around the clock to ensure each cat received medical attention, proper nutrition, and a clean environment to recover in. Daisy's transformation was nothing short of miraculous. With each passing day she grew stronger, her fur regained its luster, and her eyes sparkled with newfound hope. The love and dedication of her caregivers helped Daisy overcome her traumatic past and embrace a future filled with joy and security. Today, Daisy lives a happy and healthy life with her forever family. She enjoys lounging in the sun, playing with her favorite toys, and receiving all the affection she could ever want. Daisy's journey from despair to delight is a powerful reminder of the impact we can have when we come together to help those in need. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together we can make a difference, one life at a time. In this chapter, we will discuss the role of animal shelters in rescuing and rehabilitating cats. Shelters provide a safe haven for cats in need, offering medical care, food, and love. Many cats, like Charlie, have found their forever homes through the efforts of dedicated shelter staff and volunteers. Charlie was found abandoned and scared, but thanks to the shelter's compassionate team, he received the care and attention he needed to recover and thrive. Shelters play a crucial role in the journey from rescue to recovery. They not only provide immediate relief and medical treatment but also work tirelessly to find loving homes for cats who deserve a second chance at life. The stories of cats like Charlie remind us of the importance of supporting our local shelters. These organizations rely on donations and volunteers to continue their life-saving work. By contributing in any way we can, we help ensure that more cats find the happiness and security they deserve. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together, we can make a difference, one life at a time. Next, we have the story of Luna, a cat who was found abandoned in a park. Luna was scared and hungry, but thanks to the kindness of a passerby, she was rescued and brought to a shelter. Luna's story is a testament to the impact that one person's kindness can have on an animal's life. When she arrived at the shelter, she was given immediate medical attention and a warm place to rest. The shelter staff worked tirelessly to ensure Luna felt safe and loved. Over time, Luna began to trust humans again. Her playful personality started to shine through, and she quickly became a favorite among the volunteers. It wasn't long before a loving family came to the shelter and decided to give Luna a forever home. Luna's transformation from a frightened, abandoned cat to a beloved family member highlights the importance of compassion and the vital role that shelters play in these journeys. Thank you for watching and supporting these incredible journeys. Together we can make a difference, one life at a time. In this chapter, we will highlight the importance of spaying and neutering cats. Spaying and neutering helps control the cat population and prevent unwanted litters. Many cats, like Oscar, have benefited from these procedures and gone on to live healthy and happy lives. Oscar was a stray cat who roamed the streets for years, facing the harsh realities of life without a home. When he was finally brought to a shelter, the staff immediately took steps to ensure he received the care he needed, including neutering. This simple procedure not only improved Oscar's health, but also prevented countless potential stray kittens from being born into a life of uncertainty. Oscar's story is a powerful reminder of how spaying and neutering can make a significant difference. It helps reduce the number of homeless cats, decreases the strain on animal shelters, and contributes to a healthier, more manageable cat population. By supporting spaying and neutering programs, we can ensure that more cats like Oscar have the chance to live happy, healthy lives. Thank you for being part of this important mission. Together, we can create a better future for all cats. Now let's take a look at the story of Molly, a cat who was found living in a feral colony. Molly's life on the streets was tough and full of uncertainties. She faced daily struggles for food, shelter, and safety. But everything changed when a dedicated team of volunteers discovered her colony. Molly was trapped as part of a Trap Neuter Return (TNR) program. This program aims to humanely manage and reduce feral cat populations by trapping, spaying, or neutering, and then returning them to their original location. After Molly was spayed, she was returned to her colony. The simple act of spaying not only improved her health, but also ensured she wouldn't contribute to the cycle of overpopulation. Today, Molly lives a healthier and safer life, free from the stresses of motherhood and the dangers of mating. Molly's story is a shining example of the positive impact that TNR programs can have on feral cat populations. By managing these colonies humanely, we can create a better environment for these cats and reduce the number of unwanted kittens. Thank you for joining us in this mission. Together, we can make a significant difference in the lives of feral cats like Molly. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of adopting senior cats. Senior cats, like Whiskers, often have a harder time finding homes, but they have so much love to give. Adopting a senior cat can be a rewarding experience and provide a loving home for a cat in need. Imagine Whiskers, a gentle and affectionate senior cat who has spent most of his life in a shelter. Despite his age, Whiskers still has a playful spirit and a heart full of love. Senior cats like Whiskers are often overlooked in favor of younger kittens, but they have so much to offer. Adopting a senior cat comes with unique benefits. They are usually calmer, more settled, and often already trained. They can be perfect companions for those looking for a low-maintenance pet. Additionally, giving a senior cat a home can be incredibly fulfilling, knowing that you are providing comfort and love in their golden years. Whiskers' story is a testament to the joy that senior cats can bring into our lives. By choosing to adopt a senior cat, you are not only giving them a second chance but also enriching your own life with their companionship and affection. Thank you for considering the adoption of senior cats. Together we can ensure that every cat, regardless of their age, finds the loving home they deserve. Finally, we have the story of Simba, a cat who was rescued from a life on the streets. Simba's journey began in a harsh and unforgiving environment, where every day was a struggle for survival. Fortunately, Simba's fate took a turn for the better, when a kind-hearted individual found him and brought him to a shelter. At the shelter, Simba received the medical care he desperately needed. Wounds were treated, and his malnourished body was given proper nutrition. But beyond the physical healing, Simba also received love and attention from the shelter staff, who helped him regain his trust in humans. With each passing day, Simba's health improved, and his spirit began to shine. Today, Simba is a happy and healthy cat who enjoys his new life with his adoptive family. He spends his days lounging in sunny spots, playing with his toys, and receiving endless affection from his loving owners. Simba's story is a powerful reminder of the resilience of animals and the transformative power of kindness and care. His journey from the streets to a loving home exemplifies the incredible impact that rescue and adoption can have on an animal's life. Thank you for watching and for supporting the cause of animal rescue and adoption. Together we can create more happy endings like Simba's.